All right, thanks, Angela. We are watching showers, which are going to be arriving here across central Indiana in the coming hours. Storm tracker showing a light band of showers basically for southern Illinois and central Illinois getting into western Indiana. The first couple areas seeing the sprinkles, Terre Haute in a stretch to Greencastle, Rockville, and this will be drifting off to the north and west. So primarily north and west of the metro area, most likely to see the showers through the morning. They will be spotty, but along I-70 and north is the main focus through the morning. Now, as we go into the afternoon, rain chances will be increasing and expanding across more of central Indiana. So spots like Columbus, Richmond, Muncie, further off to the east and even south, you're going to be left out of the rain chance for a bit until we get into the afternoon and evening hours. Rain chances as a whole for today, I'd say pretty isolated to spotty through the morning, eventually turning scattered to likely this evening. Temperature sitting at 68 degrees right now, 64 in Kokomo, 70 in Bloomington. Remember, yesterday we did make it to 80 degrees. Not going to get quite as warm for today just because of the cloud cover and the on and off showers to sprinkles. Sustained winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. This is backed off from yesterday. Yesterday we were gusting 40 miles an hour plus in some cases. Now, forecast for today, as I mentioned, we'll be having the spotty on-off showers through the morning, turning more scattered. Live look at Carmel in the mid-60s. When you're not getting in on one of these showers, you will have cloudier skies. The broader look at Storm Tracker showing we're underneath this warm front, which is the reason why our temperatures are so far above normal as we're waking up. Just to put it in perspective, average high is 57 degrees and we're at 68 this morning. Low pressure system in the plains, that is the system to watch because that's going to be driving up our severe chances on Sunday. For today, clouds, on-off sprinkles to light showers, temperatures in the lower 70s, sustained winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now, statewide, reflecting the highest rain chances north and west of the metro area by a few degrees, 70 in Lafayette, 70 in Kokomo. Meanwhile, you go down to Columbus, 74, and further spots south and east, even warmer, that have the smaller chances of rain. Indy 11 are back in action this evening. Home opener. Temperatures in the lower 70s, may have to dodge some of these on-off showers through the evening. 60 degrees for our low for tonight. And then the focus shifts to tomorrow. Storm Prediction Center has a 3 out of 5 enhanced risk of severe weather that includes much of Indiana. The tornado threat, this is also from the Storm Prediction Center, a bit higher for south central and southern Indiana. That is a 10% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. So a bit higher for that in southern parts of the state. Broad timing of the threat, 4 p.m. to midnight. The storm mode will be mainly a line of showers and storms. The concern is we get a couple cells ahead of the line, and all forms of severe weather are on the table. I'd say for most of the state, damaging wind the primary threat, but obviously the tornado threat is a bit higher for southern parts of the state. Futurecast into tomorrow, on-off sprinkles to showers through the morning. Then the question is how much clearing we get and if that aids in that line developing. We'll get to 4 o'clock, showers and storms entering the state, and that line crosses from 4 p.m. to roughly midnight. Keep in mind, this is just one model I'm showing here. A couple have the timing sped up just a little bit more than this, but overall we'll start to clear things out in the early morning hours. Tomorrow, temperatures in the lower 70s, sustained winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Rainfall amounts from now all the way through Monday morning, a ½ inch to an inch. I'd even put a couple spots over that inch mark. And I want to highlight this. I know the focus is on Sunday, but the Storm Prediction Center has also added basically the southern half of the state to the enhanced risk of severe weather for Wednesday. 7-day forecast. We'll have that rain chance only in the early morning hours on Monday, then going back to drier conditions. Temperatures colder behind the front. On Tuesday for the Indians' home opener, temperatures in the low to mid 50s, probably the best day of the week. Watching that severe chance on Wednesday and still some rain chances to close out the week.